This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. It is here in the US for July 11th, 2019. Take a look at the closing prices for the Nifty overnight. Just some observations here. We can see that there's a price channel that we can draw. Now I can draw it this way, connecting the last couple of points. Now clearly this is showing stability, so as long as this line is holding, we can assume that this market is stabilizing after the recent pullback of the high. So support right there. So that's one view. Of course, you'd want this to hold if the bulls want to move this higher. Otherwise, a break below this line would definitely be a cause for concern for those who are bullish as far as the Nifty is concerned currently. Now, we can also use the RSI to pretty much arrive at the same conclusion. And here what we're going to do is figure out where we began this recent move to the upside, which we would say was somewhere here. So let's call it here, which is this RSI movement. As you can see, nice. All right, take that information, draw our uniformity support line. Should be something like that. And if you're not familiar with this method, there should be some videos in the description of this video explaining the method. Uniform activity support also here. We go below the line, back above it for that re-entry of the lows there, and we can see that over the last couple of days this has turned into support. So as long as we are holding the blue line, then we can anticipate that prices are stabilizing and even pointing higher. Now there's also another line that we can draw, a very simple line connecting recent RSI lows, and we are going to draw it like that. You see how the line connects to recent lows here and touches that low right there, and we've bounced on the line right there. So again, as long as we are holding above this line on the RSI, then that is suggesting stability and pointing higher in terms of prices for a swing trade. Otherwise, should we break below these two lines, a break below those two lines is going to be cause for concern for market bulls. That's a setup. If the lines can hold on the RSI and price, that's good. If they break, then the market is going to have further downside. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESS.